Okay, great scholars. Let us deal with more problems on compound interest. This you now understand from the previous classes that the principal changes year by year in the compound interest, but in simple interest, your principal remains the same. In simple interest, your principal remains the same in all the years. For 5 years, for 4 years, for 6 years, your principal remains the same for simple interest. But for compound interest, your principal changes every year. Every year, you must have a new principal. Year 1, you use the original principal, and your year 2, your amount for year 1 becomes the principal for year 2. Your amount for year 2 becomes the principal for year 3. So for compound interest, the principal changes yearly, but for simple interest, the principal remains the same. Let us see if we can solve another example to help you have a better understanding about this topic, compound interest. More problems. So find the compound interest on 9,000 at 15% interest per annum for 3 years. Solution. I will use the direct method, then you will use the formula to solve it yourself. Direct method. I will start solution. Year 1, interest for the year 1 will be 9,000 times 15 over 100. That will be 90 times 15. That will give us 1,350. That is our interest, our amount for the first year. Amount for the first year will be 9,000 plus 1,350. If you add that up, you have 10,350. That is the amount for the first year. Then we're done with the first year. So this amount becomes our principal for the second year. So we're going to interest 2. Interest 2 will be 10,350 times 15 over 100. If you work that out, you're going to have your interest 2 as 1,552 naira 0.5. That is our amount. Your interest for the second year, then amount for the second year. Amount for the second year will simply be this plus the principal. That will be 10,350 plus 1,552.5, and that will give us a result of amount for the second year will be 11,902.5, 11,902.5. That is our amount for the second year. Let's go to the interest of the third year. Third year interest, your amount for the second year becomes your principal for the third year. That will be 11,902.5 times 15 over 100. If you work out this also, you will end up having 1,785.375. That is your interest. Then our amount for third year will simply be 11,902.5 plus 1,785.375, and our result will be 13,687.875. Here is our amount for the third year. Then you find our compound interest. Our compound interest will simply be amount, the final amount is amount 3 minus the original principal. That will be 13,687.875 minus the original amount, which is 9,000 naira. So our final compound interest will be 4,687.875. This is the final compound interest. This is our compound interest that we're going to have. So this is the added interest, interest on interest. This is it. So you use the formula method to solve similar problem. Use the formula method. Use the formula method to solve similar problem and see if you result to this answer. Remain studious and ensure you make your world proud. Thank you.